Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to disable startup apps on your Windows PC. Startup apps can have a big impact on your computer's boot time. Let's get started. Right click on the taskbar, select Task Manager. This will open up Task Manager. It shows many things like the system's processes and performance and etc. Now we have to select Startup. In my PC, there are some startup apps which are enabled. I am going to disable the apps which I don't need. I am not going to disable Lenovo Utility and Windows Security notifications. Now it is done. I have closed the application. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe.